So, how to fix TikTok couldn't change the profile picture or the photo. In this video or this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is just keep watching until the end of this video. First thing you have to do, guys, is to go to the settings on your phone and then scroll down until you find the apps manager. Go to the apps. Now here on this page you will find all the apps as you can see. Scroll until you find TikTok. If you didn't find it, just go to the search bar and search for it. Click on it. Now here, go to this option. It's called Power Usage Details. Make sure that the power consumption alert is enabled and then go to the app launch. Make sure that it's on manage automatically and go down here, click on force stop and now go here and click on force stop again. Now all what you have to do is turn off your phone and turn it on again or restart your phone and the problem must be solved easily. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was kinda helpful for you. See you later. Don't forget to check our other videos.